Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's recipe, I thought I'd share with you guys a really quick idea for a Friendsgiving favors. You guys already know I love giving favors, so Friendsgiving's just another excuse to make a favor for you guys. So if you guys like favor ideas, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So these Friendsgiving trees, as I'm gonna call it, is really easy to make and require just a few ingredients. I saw this picture on Pinterest and figured it would be really easy to recreate on my own. So all I did was lay out some pretzels crisp on a silpat mat and then took some chocolate, which I just melted and put it into a Ziploc bag just so it's easy to clean up afterwards and I can just throw away the Ziploc bag. And I tried to create little lines to look like a tree stump. Now, I am not the best decorator when it comes to these kind of things, and I definitely don't have the patience, but I think they turned out pretty well. I did go back with a butter knife to give the trees a little bit more of a texture, just create some more lines, flatten out the bottoms, but you could kind of play with it as you like. Afterwards, you just take a little bit of frosting. In my case, I just used a store-bought gel frosting and create little dots on the pretzel crisp. And then you just cover them with some sprinkles. Now, I didn't have leaf sprinkles or anything like that, but I did have some fall-looking sprinkles that I used instead. And they just give it such a beautiful autumn look to it. Next, you just pop this in the fridge for half an hour to an hour just to make sure the chocolate has really hardened. Bring them out, and then because you put this on a non-stick surface, they come right off. Now, you can lay this out on a tray for people to just grab, or you can bag these up, maybe a few of them in each bag, and give them to your friends and family during Thanksgiving. People will love them, they'll enjoy how cute they are, and of course, chocolate and pretzel crisp are delicious. Alright, there you guys go. That is my super easy, super quick Friendsgiving favors idea for this year. Bag these up, give it to your friends and family during Thanksgiving, and they'll really just appreciate the effort that you took to make these cute little trees. So if you guys like favor ideas and everything Thanksgiving, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.